Tired of your WordPress site feeling like a one-way street? Let's turn it into a bustling communication hub by integrating Twilio, unlocking powerful features like SMS notifications and rock-solid two-factor authentication, boosting both user engagement and security. First, head over to Twilio.com and sign up for an account. You'll need to verify your email and phone number. Once you're in, you'll find your account SID and Auth token on the dashboard, which are your keys to connecting WordPress to Twilio, so keep them safe. Now, jump into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then click at New. Search for a reliable Twilio plugin. There are several options available, like Twilio SMS notifications or WP Twilio Core. Choose one with good ratings and recent updates. Click Install now and then activate the plugin. Once activated, find the plugin in your WordPress menu. It's usually under Settings or has its own dedicated menu item. In the plugin settings, you'll need to enter your Twilio account SID and Auth token from earlier. This tells the plugin how to access your Twilio account. Configure the plugin with your Twilio phone number. This is the number that will be used to send SMS messages from your website. Many plugins offer options to customize when SMS messages are sent, such as after a new user registers, a comment is posted, or a form is submitted. Tailor these settings to your specific needs. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Twilio with your WordPress website, unlocking a world of communication possibilities.